Here in Subic Bay, it was a 3-hour drive from Cabanatuan City here in the Philippines. The entrance fee for this safari was 695 pesos per person. We are going to do the tiger safari ride, see them in their enclosure, see albino, deer. We will meet the native people here. Some of them will even be our tour guides for this Zoobic safari. And here they do have wild boar just roaming the premises. Please be careful. Also wild monkeys.
It's pretty good, pretty good. So if you guys want to check out this safari in here in Subic, check it out. And we'll see you guys on the next adventure.